Let's talk about Adidas. As we head into the summer, I think it's safe to say that Adidas is the hottest brand in sneakers right now, with a lot of models that are quick to sell out. And if you're new to the brand, you might be thinking, what exactly is the difference between all these shoes? Well, you clicked on the right video because I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about 5 of the most popular Adidas models right now, including what size to get, what makes each of these pairs unique, and also what's the best sneaker for you. And these 5 models are the Adidas Samba, the Gazelle Indoor, the Handball Spezial, the Campus 2000s, and the Adidas Superstar. Also, all of the shoes mentioned in this video are available right now on adidas.com, and I will leave some links in the description so you guys can buy for yourself. First, let's start off with a classic, and that is the Adidas Samba. This was originally a shoe designed for indoor sports, but has now transcended into more of a lifestyle everyday shoe. And these have gotten so popular now that people are starting to ask whether these are the new Panda Dunks. Yes, these have been worn by everyone from your favorite celebrity to your favorite TikTok influencers, but there is a good reason for that, and that is because these are very timeless shoes that you can wear with pretty much anything. It has this slim and minimalistic look to it, which you can pull off with any outfit. The Sambas are also generally made out of leather. That's what sets them apart from the other shoes on this list, although there have been several special edition pairs like the Wales Bonner collabs that came in a variety of different materials such as nylon or even pony hair. The retail price on these is only $100, which is a great price for an everyday shoe. Important information about sizing though. Now the Sambas are very narrow shoes, especially in this midfoot area. Now I normally wear a US size 11 in some other Adidas models like the Ultra Boost or the NMD. However, in the Samba I do go up half a size to an 11.5. When I wear these in my usual size, the middle of the shoe is just way too tight on me. So I definitely do recommend going up half a size on the Sambas, especially if you have wider feet. Moving on to the next sneaker on the list, and that is the Adidas Gazelle Indoor. Now these are the fun and very loud pairs in this whole group of sneakers. They do look similar to the Samba, however they do have a slimmer toe box. And you'll notice that this T-shape here on the Gazelle, it's slightly exaggerated. But what really sets these shoes apart are the variety of different colors that they come in. The Gazelles are known for bold and bright colors. They are really the shoes you want to wear as a statement piece. Gazelles are usually made of suede as the base material, although there are some leather versions as well. I think some of the currently available colorways look really good. The pair I'm showcasing right here is actually a collaboration with Gucci from a couple of years ago, and is definitely a bit more on the expensive side. However, Gazelles normally do retail for $120. And as far as the sizing goes, these shoes do fit very different than the Sambas I just talked about. So with the Gazelles, they actually fit bigger. So for the perfect size, I actually go down half a size from my true size. So I actually wear a US 10.5 in Gazelles, which is completely the opposite of the Samba, which I go up half a size in. I wear 11.5 in Sambas and 10.5 in Gazelles. The Gazelles do have a wider midfoot area, so that's one of the reasons why you don't really need to go with your true size in these, so I do suggest going down half a size. The Adidas Handball Spezial is going to be the next shoe we discuss, and these are currently the best-selling sneaker from Adidas, especially among female consumers. The smaller sizes of most colorways sell out very fast. They were originally intended to be a shoe for the sport of handball. These shoes do look very similar to the Samba in terms of design, but you'll notice that they do have a slightly higher ankle collar, and the shoe also features a bit more of a slanted look along the front, whereas the Sambas are much more flat. And this sneaker in terms of looks is the perfect middle ground between the Samba and the Gazelle. Sambas are easily the most versatile of all the shoes mentioned so far, and the Gazelles are possibly the least versatile. The Spezial, however, are right in the middle. They also do come in loud colors compared to the Sambas, however the colors are much more muted compared to the Gazelle. And they also usually have these pretty dark colored midsoles, which do tone down the sneaker even more. They also typically only come in suede, just like the Gazelle. And these are priced at $110, which is once again the midway point between the pricing of the Sambas at $100 and the Gazelles at $120. Also, from a comfort standpoint, you might find the Spezials to be the most comfortable of the 3 shoes mentioned so far, and that's because they do have pretty good arch support, which you'll notice on the inner half of the shoe. Additionally, you'll notice that the Handball Spezials come with these round style laces, whereas the Sambas and the Gazelles have flat style laces. For sizing, these fit just like the Gazelles to me, so they do fit big. Going half size down is what fits me the best. However, they do fit slightly more narrow than the Gazelles, so I would suggest that if you have wide feet, then sticking with your true size in the Spezial would be the best fit for you. The next sneaker is also a very popular sneaker nowadays. anyways, that is the Adidas Campus 2000s. Now this shoe is a pretty recent design from Adidas compared to all of the other models I just talked about. It's an updated version of the Campus 80s, which was originally a basketball shoe. So the Campus 2000s, you can already tell there's definitely a bit of skateboarding inspiration here behind the shoe, and you'll see that with these fat style laces that the shoes come with. Mine come with two different colors. I got green and white, and you also get this very padded tongue. Once again, more of that skateboarding inspiration in the design. It is also the chunkiest looking shoe out of all the pairs mentioned in this video, if that's something you're going for. And you'll also notice it does have a very different toe box here. It doesn't have that T shape like the other three pairs. This one has much more of just a flat style toe box. And the Campus as well is typically made out of suede. They are pretty wide foot friendly as well, and they retail for $110. In terms of sizing, these do actually fit me perfect at true to size. So I wear a US 11 in these, and if you're keeping score at home, so I wear a 11.5 in Sambas, 10.5 in the Gazelles and Spezials, and a size 11 in the Campus 2000s. And finally, the last sneaker which we will be discussing is the Adidas Superstar, which is maybe the most iconic Adidas shoe when you think about how important the shoe has been in early hip-hop history. And they're also commonly known by another name, and that is the shell toes. And that is of course because of this very unique looking shell rubber toe boxes. These are also, I would say, a little bit on the chunkier side, but definitely not as chunky as the Campus 2000s. The Superstars are also normally made with leather, so you got the Superstar and the Sambas on team leather, and the Gazelles, the Spezials, and the Campus 2000s on team suede. These do fit me perfectly at true to size. Just like the Campus 2000s, these are pretty wide foot friendly, so going with your true size will get you the best fit. And I personally do really like wearing these with more baggier pants. I think that's a nice look. So there you have it, 5 of the most popular Adidas models right now. I hope I was able to help you guys decide which is the best one for you. On a personal note, if I were to rank my favorites, I would say I got the Gazelle Indoor at number 1, Samba's at 2, and Superstars at number 3. But do let me know in the comments what is your favorite classic Adidas model. As I said, there are links in the description to all these shoes available right now on adidas.com. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did find it useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping tons of content every single week. The best place to actually reach out to me would be Instagram. I respond to pretty much all my DMs on there, so make sure you check that out. The link can be found as well. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.